Hi everyone, welcome back with another video of Excel tutorial series. In this video, we will see how to perform XLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. We will dive into detail in the formula when we will see an example. If you see, the XLOOKUP is basically a query function in which we have to fetch the data from a sheet into another sheet by using a lookup variable. So without further ado, we will just jump into our Microsoft Excel and we will see how to perform XLOOKUP. Here's my Excel sheet. Remember that XLOOKUP formula is pretty much new in Microsoft Excel. It's not in Microsoft Excel 2019. It will be available in Microsoft 365, which is the latest version of Microsoft Excel. So here is a sheet in which we have the name of the employee, the ID, department, salary, and date of joining. So you can see that the data is actually it's repeating because some of the employees, Emily, first she was intern and then her department was changed to the developer. We will see how to perform XLOOKUP in both ways. Here's my new sheet in which name and employee ID are same as the previous sheet. It should be same, and we have to fetch the department and current department of the employee. We will perform XLOOKUP function here to fetch the data from this sheet. So the first step you need to do is you need to convert this data into the tabular format. By default, the Excel data is not in the tabular format, so you need to convert it into the table. So you just need to select the entire data, including the headers, and just click on Format as Table and choose a style and make sure my table has headers option enabled and click on OK. So now you can see that you have filters over here. It means that your data is in the tabular format. So now we have to apply the function, XLOOKUP function. Now we have to fetch the department of the employee. Her name is Mary. So we need to perform the XLOOKUP function here. So in the department, I will just try to implement the XLOOKUP formula. So now we have to provide the lookup value, which in my case would be the name of employee, which is A2. Then I will give the lookup array. For that, I will go back to the previous sheet and will provide it with the array of name. Then I will give the return array, which is the department, because I'm looking for the department in this scenario. I've chosen the department, then I will close the bracket and I will click enter. Look, it has fetched the data of the employee. Like it said that Mary is an admin in our case. So we'll go back to the sheet 3 and if I look at the name Mary, so she is an admin, so it fetched the data correctly. Now drag the formula to the entire data. It will fetch the corresponding departments of all the employees. Now there is a big issue. It only selects the department which comes first. Like Emily was an intern, then her department was changed. Look, Emily 105 was an intern, then her department was changed to the developer. Here this formula just looks up the first value of department for the name Emily and returns the department which was like the first department of the employee Emily. So now we need to take record of the current department as well. Here it is just returning the first value of the department. Like Mary was an admin. If her department was changed, it will not consider that. Now I need to find the current department of the employees as well. For that, I just need to modify the formula a little bit. So here I'll just write down the formula again. XLOOKUP, and lookup value would be the A2. Yeah, A2. Then lookup array will be the name of the employee in the other sheet, which is this one. It's the entire name column. Then return array would be the department, because I need the department. Okay. So now if not found, I'll just ignore it. I do not need this. Match mode, I will write 0 for the exact one. Search mode -1 means first to last or last to first. So by default, first to last is used. I will give last to first. So I need the recent department of the employee. I will just close the bracket and press enter. So in this case, the department wasn't changed. If I look down to Steve, Steve's department was also not changed. Tom's department was not changed. And if I see the Harry's department was the same. And then Jupiter's department, it was same. Emily's department, we know it was changed. So it showed me that the department of Emily was changed from intern to developer. We will see the rest of them. And their class department was changed from tester to developer. And Peter's department was also changed from finance to senior finance. And James' department was changed from customer relation to manager sales. That's it for this video. I hope you liked this one. And thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.